guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Casey and thanks for joining us today. I am going to Carlo's family member's wedding, so I thought, why not do a get ready with me? I'm really excited for this one because it's not going to be like all out like I did for New Year's. It's going to be a little bit more chill and neutral almost. I'm not even sure what I want to do yet, but we will see. So first thing that I think I want to do is curl my hair because that part is probably the part that takes the longest and I always have to rush it. So we are gonna go sit in front of my mirror and go curl. First, I'm gonna spray my hair with this Tresemme Repair and Protect. I don't know, I bought this as a heat protectant spray, but I don't even know if it like protects against the heat. Like I know it says protect, but I used to use the, I don't even remember what it's called, but it's like in a black bottle and it's like red. So I'm just gonna run that through my hair just so I don't get any split ends. The curling iron that I am using today is this Hot Tools one, and it's just like a clamp. And honestly, this curling iron like low-key sucks. My curls don't hold with this curling iron, and it's the most annoying thing ever. I used to have a wand that just like held curls for the longest time ever. Like it was the best curler, and I don't know where it went. So I had to buy this new clamp one, and it just doesn't work that well. I'm just gonna section off my hair. My hair is thin enough to not section it off this way. I just usually section it off into two pieces and then curl those on its own. My curling iron is heated by now, so I'm gonna take like the back piece, curl away from my face, and then just hold it there. And then let it go. And then that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna spritz every piece because I already know this isn't gonna hold. Started on the face makeup now. I'm just gonna prime my face with the Professional. Now that my face is primed, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of CC cream actually because I don't want to wear like a full foundation, but I'm gonna mix this with the foundation because the shade is a little bit too light for me at the moment. So I think I'm gonna mix it with my Revlon Super Stay. It's still like a little bit light, but we'll do like a little bit of contouring and stuff after. I'm taking a concealer that's like darker and then concealing all those stress bumps on my forehead because those are not cute right now. I think the reason why I have so many stress bumps on my forehead right now, like I'm not stressed, but I think it's because I'm not toning my face as much as I should because I used to a lot. I used to tone my face every night before I went to bed, but the thing is, the toner that I use is a Clinique toner. It very clearly has alcohol in it and I don't necessarily like that. I kind of stopped, but I think I should start toning again. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder and just powder my face because I don't want to look oily and shiny since it's like super hot today. It's like 99 degrees, which is insane if you ask me. I'm also gonna take this Chocolate Soleil bronzer sample and darken up my face. I'm gonna use the dark chocolate because like I said, the foundation kind of washes me out just a little bit. I'm not really sure how to use it exactly, so I'm literally just picking some up and dusting it on my face. Next, I'm gonna contour just a tad. Fudge! I just killed the tip. Now we're gonna blend that out with this buffing brush that I have in my Morphe brush set. I literally love this contour stick. I think I'm just gonna do my eyes now. So I'm gonna prime with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Here's the hard part. I literally have no idea what kind of makeup look I want to do. I know I'm wearing gold shoes, so I think I'm gonna incorporate some gold in there, but like legitimately right now I'm winging everything. So I'm just gonna take my Morphe palette and go into my favorite shade ever, which is Fortune, and I'm gonna blend that into my crease as a transition shade. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna pick up this random shade here and find it more, I guess. Usually when I film these videos, I practice a makeup look before, but right now I'm literally doing random stuff on my eyelids, so that's cool. Anyways, I'm gonna take my Modern Renaissance palette, and I know Juan Fresco is like the color that matches most, so I am going to darken this crease with it. Probably should have used a cooler toned transition crease shade, but whatever, it's too late now. I'm gonna go into the Carly Bible palette, and I'm gonna pick up this middle shade here, and I'm just gonna put that on my outer corner and blend it like into the crease, and then move it slightly to the center. I'm gonna take a cooler toned color and try to blend this back because it's looking really warm right now and I don't want that. Okay, going back in with the Carly Bible palette, I'm gonna take this shimmery purple here and like hit it on the inner corner. Okay, that actually looks kind of cute. This might ruin everything, but I'm taking this Stila Gold Goddess liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna dab like a little tiny bit on my finger. And I'm going to take some of that and dab it in like the center of my eyelid. Okay, I think that looks so cute. Back into my Morphe palette, I am taking this shade right up here and I am putting it in my inner corner. I'm gonna take like a few of the same colors that I used and blend it on my lower lash line because I can't have that naked. My favorite thing ever in the world to do, you guys already know, is take a black shadow with this tiny, tiny brush and just line my lower lash line. I'm actually obsessed with this makeup look. I did pretty good if you ask me. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Precise All Day. I'm going to draw my liner. I'm going to apply these Eyelure Natural lashes. These are like the most natural lashes I have worn so far. I mean, I don't really wear lashes that often, but these lashes are pretty natural if you ask me. Oh, it comes with a little lash tweezer. I've never used one of these. Maybe I'll try it out. All right, instead of using the eyelash glue that they give me, I'm gonna use my Duo. It's one lash. It literally looks like my natural lash. Okay, you guys, I gave up on the lashes and I'm just not going to wear any because my natural lashes are long enough with the waterproof mascara to just stay like this. I got this new highlight stick by Nude Sticks in the shade Hey Honey. The most pretty natural highlighter ever. I literally will have just a bare face with like eyebrows and mascara and I'll put this on and it's so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this now. And then on the other end, it comes with like a buffing brush. So I kind of just buff this up. Such a pretty golden highlight. And then whatever's left over, I usually just put on my nose. But we're gonna move on to lips and then we'll pretty much be done. Okay, we're gonna try on this Anastasia liquid lip in Allison. This might be a little too pink. So I think it's a bit dark. Do you think so?
I think it's fine. I think it looks weird if you have like a bright pink.
No, I know, but like neutraler. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but we're gonna spritz my face because we can always change it up. That is pretty much it for the makeup look. I will check back in with you guys when it's time for me to get in my dress and everything. This is what my dress looks like. I got it from White Fox Boutique and it's so pretty and silky smooth. It's gorgeous. It's like so elegant. Then I packed this small little bag that it came in from White Fox and I have like shoes in there, perfume, and then like my little sticky bra thing. And then this purse, it's gold and it matches my shoes. Also, I put some rings on and look at my nails, you guys. I also decided that I was gonna change the lipstick that I was wearing. So the Anastasia one, I'm not wearing that one anymore because I feel like this lip color fits it better and I didn't apply it all the way. Like I just dabbed a little bit on so it'll be a little more visible when I actually put it on. The lipstick that I am gonna wear is this Laura Geller 50 Kisses lip color in Beige Bite. My mom actually got me this for Christmas. It came with a mascara as well. So I think this just matches a lot better. It's a little more neutral and it's so cute. So I'm packing that away. The lighting sucks, but this is what the dress looks like. There's like a slit, so cute. And my toenails are white. I'm just wearing this necklace and then as you can see the dress like crisscrosses in the front and then the back is completely open, just crisscrosses in the back and then you tie it right here. I think it's like such a pretty, elegant dress. We should be ready to go really soon. It's raining, which sucks so much. I think I'm gonna leave my hair like plain and down because Carlo said it looked good like this. Here's a better view of my dress because the lighting's better here. I'm eating a little bit of prosciutto that Carlo got for me from frickin' Spain. Prosciutto is like my favorite thing ever. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.